Hello everyone, this is Matthew Morrison with Pale Horse Investigations, and we just got a new piece of equipment in. I'm actually super excited about this. It is the Bell Howell full spectrum camera. So this is just a Bell Howell camera, digital camera, not super amazing or anything, but it's been modified to record all spectrums of light. It has a 5x optical zoom, a 20 megapixel sensor. It has intelligent scene models, expandable up to 64 gigabytes with an SD card, 2.7 LCD, and an HD video resolution. So it records in 1080p, so it's not like super amazing, but overall, I think it'll be a pretty good camera. And what's nice about it is the fact that it records and does pictures in the full spectrum, which is really nice. So I ordered this off of ghoststop.com. The other thing is, this was our very first night vision light, and it's old. It's 10 years old. So this was the first night vision light that I'm aware of that Ghost Stop was selling. This is their newest one. This was a wide angle for the 2010 era, and this is a wide angle for today. This is a lot lighter. The original mounting was similar to a tripod where it's the screw-on mount. This one is more like a GoPro mount, which is nice because now I can use the camera mount that is just a handle, and I really plan on getting a lot of work out of this. It also has a screw-on area. This is where you place the battery. And overall, I think it's going to be a really nice light. I'm guessing these are super bright. We will test this out tonight, as well as we will be showing pictures from the full spectrum camera so you guys can kind of see how it works. A lot of the full spectrum images turn out pink, actually. So in our footage that is full spectrum in our episodes, you'll notice that it's black and white. A lot of our night vision is black and white. I do that because I figured black and white would look better than a pink video throughout the whole thing. So we hope you guys like this unboxing, and let's get to it.